There's a lot going on to get out and enjoy this weekend.
And the weather's going to cooperate for the most part. Mornings may be kind of dreary like the last few. Like this morning, it looks like it could rain at any minute, right? But we don't see much more than drizzle, and I don't think that will change really Saturday or Sunday. Let's take a look at what we have out there now. In fact, it took all day, but it finally looks pretty nice. Skies became partly cloudy just over the last hour and a half or so here around the city. We're at 79 degrees right now after that high up at 80 today. 72 is our 8 p.m. forecast, and then at 10 o'clock tonight, we're still holding in the upper 60s as low clouds begin to fill back in. At this hour, a little warmer from the metro area east as opposed to the last couple days when it's been a little warmer out in the hill country. The clouds have been thick across the hill country all day long, and so as a result, you folks haven't made it above the low 70s, but that's still warmer than average for the middle of February. Where we finally saw some sunshine break out this afternoon, 81 in San Marcos, 80 in Lockhart, 79 over in Bastrop. And weather where you live, if you live out in Johnson City right now, it's mostly cloudy and 73 degrees. 79 at Camp Mabry and partly cloudy. 81 degrees and partly cloudy at the airport. Winds are south-southeast at 8 to 12 miles per hour. Sunset tonight at 6:22. A lot in the pollen count today. Mold has started to increase now up into the medium category. Elm, medium. Ash and cedar, low, and I think tomorrow mold will be at least medium, and tree pollens of assorted varieties will add up to a medium concentration. Very warm across the whole state. 80 in Dallas, 80 in Abilene, 74 in Houston. What they wouldn't have done for 80 degrees in Dallas just 2 weeks ago when the Super Bowl was there, but it wasn't to be, was it? The reason it's so warm right now is we have a persistent area of low pressure off the west coast that's drawing up a southerly flow, not only from Texas, but through Texas, but all the way up into Canada. At least the last couple of days, we're beginning to see some cold air come our way. That'll change our weather a little bit on Monday, but between now and then, the pattern repeats itself. Overcast skies much of the day, patchy drizzle in the morning, some breaks in the clouds in the afternoon. That was Saturday. This is Sunday. Pretty much the same situation. So no real change through the weekend. Our next change, a Monday cold front, which will actually just drop us back to normal. We'll see temperatures in the 30s and 40s by Tuesday morning, and then highs in the 60s where they belong. All right, tonight the low temperatures, just like the last few nights, 60s, maybe you drop into the 50s, and then tomorrow you're up into the low to mid 70s. Tonight in Austin, 64. Tomorrow we'll start cloudy with some drizzle in the morning, end up at 76 with maybe some breaks in the clouds in the afternoon. And here's the rest of the weekend forecast. Sunday looks exactly the same. Monday's President's Day. Could have a rain shower with that front blowing through. And you can see that drops us about 10 degrees for Tuesday, but then we quickly warm back above normal for the rest of the week.